friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking this frozen Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl in the air fryer. So all we need is a package of Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl. No need to defrost, we're cooking it straight from frozen. So let's take it out of its packaging. So I'm going to remove the plastic film completely. Now once I remove the film, I am not sure if this is safe for the air fryer. The way how you know when something is safe for the air fryer, if you look in the back of the packaging, if it has the oven instructions, that means if it's safe for the oven and it's also safe for the air fryer. But this one only has the microwave. So I don't know if I can put it in the air fryer. I'm not going to take any chances. I'm just going to use my own pan that fits inside the air fryer. And I will transfer this breakfast bowl here. And sprinkle the shredded cheese on top. So I'm just kind of remove the cheese to the top. And let's put it in the air fryer. And put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious breakfast bowl. It looks amazing. It's perfectly cooked through and the cheese is melted. It was so easy, so good. So let's take it out of the air fryer. Be careful, this is hot. That's why I'm using a silicone mitt. So at this point, you can either put it in a different bowl or just eat straight out of that pan that you used to keep it simple. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So here's some egg, cheese, and sausage. Tastes so delicious. It's perfectly heated through. The sausage is so tender. The potatoes are delicious and the cheese is melted. This is a great combination, perfect for breakfast. And it's so easy and tastes so much better than microwave. You will love cooking in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!